Adding, subtracting, and multiplying decimal fractions. Okay, first of all, for adding and subtracting, we need to find the common multiple. We use the least common multiple, the smallest one. So let's write the multiples for the 6 time tables. So we have 6, 12, 18, and 24. The multiples for the 8 time tables are 8, 16, 24, and 32. Okay. What do they have in common? They have, let's see here. Yeah, 24. 24 in common. All right. So for the 6 time tables, the 24, the multiplier is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4 times 4. And for the 8, the multiplier is, for the 8 time tables, the multiplier is 3. So times 3 times 3. Okay. Now let's rebuild our fractions using our new numbers here. 5 times 4, 6 times 4, 5 times 3, 8 times 3. So we have 20, 24, 15, and 24. Okay. Now, when we're going to combine these, 20 over 24 plus 15 over 24, we'll end up with 35 over 24. And that's it. It is improper, but we'll leave that there. We'll deal with the idea of turning an improper into a mixed number later on. Okay, once again here, our multiples for 6 are 6, 12, 18, and 24. Our multiples for 8 are 8, 16, 24, and 32. The common multiple between these are 24, or is 24. And so for the 6 time tables, the multiple for 24 is 4. So we'll say times 4 here, times 4 there. And the multiple for the 8 time tables to get to 24 is 3. So times 3 times 3. Okay. We're going to multiply 5 times 4, 6 times 4, 5 times 3, 8 times 3. The answer will be 20, 24, 15, and 24. So when we subtract the numerators only and keep the denominator the same. So we'll get 5 over 24. And that's it. Okay, next, number 3. Number 3, we are multiplying of fractions. So to multiply fractions, we put everything in one fraction form. So this will be 5 times 5 and 6 times 8. Okay, now I can see right now there's nothing from the numerator to denominator that can be divided by the same number. So I'll just kind of keep going. 5 times 5 is 25, and 6 times 8 is 48. And there's nothing that can be divided, 25 and 48 both can be divided by. Okay, number 4. Number 4, we're going to do a keep, change, flip. So what happens here, we keep the 5 over 6, we change the division into multiplication, and the 5 over 8 becomes an 8 over 5. The technical word for flipping is called a reciprocal. Okay, when a numerator becomes a denominator, the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, and now we can put all this together since we're now multiplying. So 5 times 8 and 6 times 5. And I can already see that the 8 and 6 can be divided by 2. I will save that step down here. So what we'll have is we'll multiply first. 5 times 8 is 40. And 6 times 5 is 30. Oh, I'm sorry. There's several things we could have done. I can divide both of these by 5. So 2 and 5 together, 2 times 5 is a 10. So it lets us know that we can divide our final product by 10. Let's see. So divided by 10 gives us 4 and 3.